If the power went out at your house, what would it look like in 6 to 8 hours? No furnace, no fridge, no sump pump, no internet. Would you have frozen pipes to deal with, a flooded basement, the inability to work, spoiled food, and a whole lot of stress? A home standby generator will keep the electricity flowing automatically. It is not just convenience, it's protection, and it comes at a lesser cost than a home renovation due to an extended outage. At Platinum Electrical Contractors, we are Generac's Power Pro Premier Level dealer. With us, you're going to get properly sized and designed, safe, compliant installations, and we are there to support you after the job is done. If budget is the reason you're holding off on this incredible purchase, don't. We have rental options, financing options, in-home consultations are free, virtual consultations are free. Click, book your consult now.